New Pasig City Hall Construction Update. Welcome back to JTB Adventure PH. Today, we're taking you to one of Pasig City's most exciting infrastructure projects, the new Pasig City Hall. Join me as we explore the latest construction progress and see how this modern government complex is taking shape. Every milestone brings Pasig one step closer to a more efficient, innovative, and people-centered public service. If you enjoy city developments, infrastructure updates, and urban exploration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to JTB Adventure PH, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Now, let's take a closer look at the new Pasig City Hall. Let's go.